guys, comment nou ye, bienvenue sur channel nan, Journeys with the Cadet, non pa mse Julia. Guys, mwen espere nou an form tout moun ok, and ap di chak gen moun merci ki geta abone avek channel la. Sa ou te gen tan la tou merci, e sa ou pral abone anko, merci. Ap di tout moun merci, m kontan ke yon ap abone, sa fèm plezi. Ap di nou merci, epi mwen men nou anpil. So guys, jodi ya, se yon bel jou. Paske chak gran jou bon Dieu kreye, se yon bel jou. Même si la fait la pluie, même si gen mauvais temps, même si soleil, c'est bel jou ye. So I'm gonna say today is a beautiful day. So because it's, you know, you got the breath of life, you wake up, you're breathing, and every day God created, it's a beautiful day. Even though it's rainy, sunny, or stormy, it's a beautiful day because we are alive. So yeah. So guys, je dis n'a pas aller pour n'aller faire quelques bagailles, ok? Avem. So nous gen mon la pour n'aller parce que moi gon laptop m'a pas pote pour yon angel pour moi parce que m'a n'a acheté laptop là pour moi, but living non genre slow, m'pa kon sak passe. So met up click rien pas marcher. So m'a pas ba yo checker pour regarder ça gagner et puis te gen tan ay nan mon la déjà mais si a te di m'potel la tester POS ça passer and then si son bail ka arranger la femme connaît but si son bail pas arranger tout la femme connaît pour ka vinn prendre. So me dit hey, why not, because it's free la checker la garder si ka arranger pour free and then la femme connaît pas payer aucun cob pour m'potel puis checker avant ça puis garder ça qui mon gabe. So me dit hey, why not. So guys, and then get mine a Walmart, but vlog la koman yon ti janta, ma pe se fe yo paske gen tan na après midi, ma pe se fe ça me get pour me faire get mine a Target on comme besoin yon SD card. So yeah, so I said let me take y'all guys along with me. Na some pe fe jodi ya pour nou ka ale tout. So yeah. Oh yes guys, we on our way. La sorti Koulia. But tamale, quand t'es vraiment belle jodi, but now, il semble la faire la pluie. But toujours gen soleil, but il semble la faire la. So, but ça pas si fun nous fait rien. We still gonna do what we have to do. So yeah. So yeah, même j'aime te dire nous on a pas une quelque store jodi. Nous commencer vlog l'anti janta. We're gonna try make it before it dark fall off. I try faire tout ça nous pour faire avant la nuit l'envini. So toute famille la timon yo la yo there. I have some good kids. They don't talk. They don't be messing up my vlog like that. Only Celti garçon là qui connaît play parler. Il toujours play parler depuis ma fond vidéo, il commence à parler. So but when il peut live parler. So that's a good thing. So yes, so guys, Anale, just stay tuned for Kawa. I'm gonna call Sayo for you. Oh my, that's why I see Timon Maile comes to like him by Rashi. But Timon, you're too playful. Like I don't know. Yeah, they play a lot. You jouer un pile, you jouer beau, you back on jouer, and then get Timon qui vraiment like quiet. You va na causer mon and then l'autre jour m'a passé ma conduit machine. Regardez moi petit Timon. Allah give Ali sa tay kui there look like I'm like, oh my god, what is this? See, that's why kids is come home gen ba ina kwa kona fe yo male bi yo bakadi like what's wrong, they can't say really what's wrong because of that. But hey guys, so long story short, I'm conjuring kunya kunale. So yeah, stay.
She's a boss, right?
Huh? Oh my god, look at this.
If you don't get off that boy, if she don't get off of him, she's so square.
Look at her, it's okay. So guys, lapli ya. Même j'aime te dire non, il commence à faire lapli. Et puis lapli a vient à tomber plus fort toujours. So, on dépend ça get là là bas à rentrer. M'gain boire l'eau, bon me faire pour bien pas mouiller. Cause if vraiment like lapli a tomber dit like gogan lapli, so I don't know what to do. Mboko même I na mall la, mboko I na Walmart. And I have the kids with me, so I don't know if I should. I don't know what to do. But I hope it stops soon because yo di la fait 50% la vle jodi. I'm gen boil we, but just pass something ka sorti. Pour mouiller. Puis m'a mouiller malgré même si tête moi pas mouiller, but puis m'a mouiller quand même cause ça mettait à son sandal l'ouvert qui n'a plus so. But il commence à diminuer. M'a regarder toujours avant m'entrer. Bon m'am c'est actif mon yo dans la pluie et puis yo pas gripper. So c'est ça fait. Moi pas sortir avec, but moi gen boire la avec là so. Yeah. On monte nous. So guys, même j'aime te dire non. La fait la pluie et puis moi dans la machine pour mon bon temps moi me descendre m'obligé prendre boire là me sortir. And cause I'm besoin na Target là vraiment like vraiment besoin na Target là. So ça me besoin am vraiment besoin so m'obligé prendre un boire là et puis sortir. And quitter ti mon dans la machine avec sem là so m'a pour un peu temps just une checker SD card là et puis pour me sortir. Because si je la place, je vais stop. So, je suis obligé de faire ça. Voilà. So, je vais prendre voilà et puis je vais venir checker là. Côté de bagay the electronic section to see if they have it. And if they do have it, then I'm good. But if not, then I'm gonna have to make another trip to Walmart and see. But right now, this is what I'm gonna have to do. Why am I going to la pluie et puis pour me sortir dehors en boire là la de l'eau dans la machine et puis me babler pour la machine là gain sang. So I hate when it rains and I'm out. Peut-être si m'a pas na mon lactimonio encore parce que moi la pluie a gen like mako ap stop. And then si gasom na, yo tap di, mdege ta di ma pa ina mol la vey. So kon yal ap kriye, ou la ina mol la. See, that's why the ap so tak ti moun pa di yo just fey. Cause you get up mother, mommy, we going to the mall? Mommy, where are you going? Are you going to the mall, mommy? Like, chaque 2 minutes, madam. Are we going to the mall? Are we going to the mall? And now it's raining so hard, I'm not sure if we can make it to the mall because it's raining, you know? And me, I already told him that we were heading to the mall. So now, I don't know. So, Pigla, I get on konem di ma pa na mall la, so I pap dormi. TBT, I get on dormi Tifian. Layla already fall asleep in the car, but McKendrick is still awake and asking me if I'm gonna go to the mall. La fini la fe la pli mba kon sa mve. Ma obligé tourner comme vinn. Il va faire ça soir na mall la. D2, where's the electronic area? I think I'm in the right route. Okay, here we go. So yes guys, so that's what's up. Hi, how are you?
Right there for a second. Let me call them for you.
Okay, thank you.
See, you got 512. So it should be different. So it's kind of
Okay, thank you.
so 256 is good for you. No, I want 512. Yeah, but
Let me ask to see if they have it. Oh my god.
Been out for a while. We haven't been able to
Call
replenish.
back. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay. No problem. So guys, that's what happened. It's a good thing I asked, because si te mwen tap cherche, gen mwen tap gade nan tout store. So that's why lè ou vin an kote, ou lè ou bezon bagay, ou make sure mwen don moun ki travaye la, paske sou ba mande wap gade mwen, so bagay mwen m toujou fè, right? Depi mwen van kote, m ap gade bagay la, m bagay jwen li. M toujou cherche mwen nan store a edem, cause m bagay perdi tan m ap cherche, e pi pou se gen ou ba gen, e pi m ap cherche. So m toujou make sure, depi mwen nan store, m bagay jwen li, m ale nan lokasyon m bagay jwen bagay la, e pi just, you know what, I find somebody who worked there and help me look for it, because I'm not going to spend a whole entire 30, 25 minutes, 10 minutes looking for it, and they don't have it, or I'm not looking on the right spot for it. So that's me. So that's what happened right now. I came for the SD card. I didn't know where it was. I know it is electronic, but I'm not sure what section in electronics, so I rather ask than looking all over electronics. So here we are. They don't have it, so now I'm heading back. So yeah, so I'm gonna check in Walmart to see if they have it, if they have the SD card. Okay, this is closed. Okay, yes, I'm gonna go to Walmart and see, and if not, then oh, lovely, I stopped. That's nice. Okay, it stopped raining. I'm happy. It's still spraying a little bit though. Okay. So guys, lapli a hoko vle kape en plus tout si film nap dormi nan machine nan, so mbaga tout nan lapli avel. So m'oblige fè sem nan, cause ite bezon bay nan Ross right here. La li la point an de dan, epi map tan li nan machine nan la soti, so mbaka soti. Mbap li lapli a mwen yeti moun nan, epi pou even gripe nan mem, so en mbare men leti moun nan gripe, like leti moun nan maladi vweman di pou dormi, cause debi pa dormi ou pap ka dormi, so it's gonna be hard for you to sleep at night. So I just ti moun mwen yo pa fasil gripe, but like konen maman ou toujou ap pran prekosyon pou, you know, yo pa malade. So yeah, so I don't want them to have the cold, be coughing, because my daughter right now, she's still she's sleeping, okay? But my sister, she needed Ross, so she went to Ross to get the things that she needed, and then I'm still in the car waiting on her to come out. So if he's still telling la wife la toujou, et puis mboko ay nan Walmart, deke may nan mon lap may menen laptop la mboko fè sa, et puis tout mte meni ay jou mboko, like fi am nap dormi, mpa konen si map meni ay jou anko paske lap dormi. So I don't know, so we will see how it go for today. And matin, like, tante vraiment belle. Pat même gen, yo pat même sa vle travay fè la pli jodi. Tan vraiment belle, soleil. Se vers zon 2h yon vin wè tan mari. Et puis, you know, lo gen ti moun, so gen ou ba fò pa ka jis kouri soti ak ti moun nan. Bonne. Si te ou sel wap met gade sou ou fini, but lo gen ti moun ni diferan. So ou jis pou bay ou manje, pou benyen yo, pou, you know, pou make sure like they good, because me kon ya la. Yes, Kendrick. What? No tade sa? Oh my. To the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Salty.
How old is Kendrick?
4 and 5.
No, you're not 4 and 5. How old are you, Kendrick?
I'm 6.
Kendrick, really?
Yes.
How old are you?
3.
How old are you?
3.
Okay, so I know you know it. So you have to say you 3. Mama's name.
And Mama's name Julia.
Oh, that's great. Oh, nice. Okay. And can you say your ABC?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Mhm.
L,
Mhm.
M,
Mhm.
N,
Mhm.
O,
Mhm.
P,
Mhm.
O,
Mm.
P,
Mhm.
Q,
Mhm.
Q,
Mhm.
R,
Mhm.
S,
Mhm.
T,
Mhm.
U,
Mhm.
V,
Mhm.
W,
Mhm.
X,
Mhm.
Y,
Mhm.
Z,
Good job. Can you say the vowels?
A,
Mhm.
E,
Mhm.
I,
Mhm.
O,
Mhm.
U.
Good job, Kendra. Good job. Can you say your shapes?
Triangle,
Mhm.
circle,
Mhm.
pentagon,
Mhm. Square.
letter B,
Okay, go ahead.
square,
Mhm.
what's next?
I'm trying to tell you what you tell me to say. I'm trying to tell him, and then he say, "Don't tell him," and then now he's telling me what's next. But anywho, what else? Do you know your colors?
Red,
Okay, say your colors.
red,
Mhm.
orange,
Mhm.
yellow,
Mhm.
two focus.
It's not okay. It have to be focused. Come on, say it. Come on.
Red,
Mhm.
orange,
Mhm.
yellow,
Mhm.
green,
Mhm.
blue,
Mhm.
purple,
Mhm.
violet,
Mhm.
rainbow.
Good job. Way. I got a smart 3-year-old.
Yay.
Yay. Good job, Kay.
Thank you.
Fantastic. So yeah, si, i pare pou la l'ekol. Chak jou yon boss l'ekol la kriye pou la l'ekol. So, m komanse chèche l'ekol pou m metel. Kendrick, stop. M komanse chèche l'ekol pou m metel. So, it's just that, okone, depi wap chèche daycare pou ti mon na. Like,
What?
don't do that. Don't press them. De wap chèche daycare pou yo, so yo bon tan. On am de tan pou tan. And so enroll yo mete yo. So yeah, but so far so good. He's good. He's already he get a connect to ABCD yo, coulé, encore vowels, by side. So yeah, he's pretty advanced for his age, I must say. They both are, honestly. I thank God. But now all I have to do is find a school for them, a daycare. But it feel like, I know every mom go through it though, because that's my first time putting them on daycare. So it's kind of like, since depuis yo fait mbajam ay mette yo na daycare, mbajam m toujou la kay avec yo. So yeah,
Papa
so
beat
m konen la pa an ti jan di, la pa an ti jan like takou ma pa ishag m ba isa yo pou mette yo le a pale. But I know they gonna be fine. So sonjou pi yo tale. So yeah, sonjou pi yo tale l'ekol. Mba kakite yo la kay la pou toutan. So yeah, but they gonna be alright. So yeah guys, so m still ap tan sem nan, yon pa ko soti toujou. M ap tan li, so nan machine ap
Mommy.
toujou. Yes, kay.
Hey, 3.
I'm vlogging.
What about B2?
You are in the vlog.
Take a picture, tease.
Cheese. I'm not taking no pictures, dude. Cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah. Alright guys, so mwen ven nan Walmart konye a la pi ate fonti stop. So and then demwazel la te vin leve. So m just di like m koui entre nan Walmart la, m ka kon sam bezwen epi pou m ka ale la kay. So m vin pon kek bagay, se pan pil bay. So m vin pon just a few stuff, you know, for the kids. And then that will be it for Walmart. So yeah, m monte sa m achete m soti. So i pa anpil, and then i fe fwet, ou konen ta fe la piya. So i fe fwet, m devin ak tet jacket jeans sam jis fouye sou mwen. Kaz i komanse fe fwet. Epi an dan Walmart la fe fwet too. Paske i sot fe la piya i fe fwet. But you know, it's summertime of course. But Yeah, so let's pick up what we come here for and then so we can go. All right. Yeah. So I found the SD card. I'm using SD card na Walmart. Kendrick, leave that. So my pay fully. So yeah, I'm happy that I found it. Okay.
Because
So yes, guys, I'm using SD card na Walmart. So now, what I'm gonna do? My baby birthday is coming. So ket ma na bay rive. So bay na section 4 la. Malgré m'te vle voyon bagay pou li, like ça voye la bon tout, but pour le moment kote li ay pap ka recevoir gros choses, you know, gros bagay. So ma fay na birthday cardio et puis ma prend birthday card pour li et puis pour m'ka ship li pour li. So m just pa ble fèt li pase et puis pour like m toujou pense avel, but m just vle montre ki ma pense avel, like, you know. So m just pa ble fèt li pase et puis m ba voyen pour li, puis mal nou pa kote len lot, you know, pour le moment. So I just want to send him a birthday card at the moment, and you know, just to send it to him to make sure like he knows that we're thinking about him, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in this section right now. Birthday card. Mother's Day. Sit down. Alright guys, nou get asot nan Walmart la, kon yam nan wot pou may lakay. Laptop la, mwen pa pote lankon nan shop la baske tan toujou mare la bay fe lapli toujou. So m deside pa pote laptop la, ma fe sa an lot jou baske ba beti moun yo pou malade nan men mouye seren lapli epi yo bin malade. So m jis kite laptop la pou an lot jou epi na bay lakay kon ya, but sel laptop la m tege pou m pote, that's it. And then tout sa m tege pou m fe pou jounen am tap fin fe tout, but since la fe lapli m baga pote so an lot jou ma pote laptop la. So yeah, so nou mette sa pou an lot jou. But même si la fe lapli, de pou gan boel ou ka fonksyonne, but de pou gen ti moun son lot bagay. So men wap plen de pou gen ti moun nan wap boel pou gen kote pou ale like la vampil and then la fe lapli. So that's why m di ma mette ma pote laptop la an lot jou, like leta pi meye ke jodi. So yeah, so na pou e tale anko ma pou an, alright? So yeah. So guys, bon pou rive la ka, m tege pou ma ale, pou ma achete yon Domino's pizza pou ti gasom na. This boy just love cheese pizza. Di reme Domino pizza. Cheese. I think tout timon reme cheese pizza. Tout timon. But yeah, I had to go get one for him, and now I'm heading home right now. So lapli a still like farine. Makes you hungry when it's raining like that. Like the tilapia tombe non-stop, you know, if I go. So yeah, so mbato wan la kay la la mwen never no more 3 minutes away from home. 3 minutes away from home. Come on, where you? So yeah, so nou preske rive, so then mbap kebe vlog la pou lontan. So lem rive la kay map end vlog la because me and the kiddos gonna have our time, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna end the vlog as soon as we get home because I have some stuff to deal with, and I guess we're gonna chill at home, but I still have to deal with some other things that I have to get done. I sleep so late. The fact that parce que yo dormi les après-midi, so les la nuit, yo dormi vraiment ta. Based on minuit. I know, yeah, it's bad. So when même la me leve le matin pa juste pas dormi, toute journée pas get dormi, but depuis we arrive based on 11 minuit, dormi get an antim, so but they will get si mon pa dormi quitter, so I'll be up lately. Yeah. So like I said, we on our way home. So yeah. Lapli a fem bay put laptop la ale UI check it away. But I'm probably gonna take it on Friday because I'm gonna head out on Friday up to hotel. You check in. So yeah. Are you guys okay back there? Good. Layla, are you okay, Mama? Okay. They back there chilling.
It's a dog, Mommy. That's small dog, big dog.
It's a big and small dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's short.
Heavy or short?
Yeah. Big the shorts.
Okay.
Big the shorts.
Okay. Mail. The mailbox to see if we have any mail before I enter the house. That will be it for today. Okay, let's check if we have any mail. We have one mail. What is this? Not again. Not again. Let's see what inside this mail. Tiffin pa bien pare pour my minute when you jouer. Et puis l'appli a just mess up by là. So now we are home. The lightning is bad. I just get in the garage, so yeah. Guys, maman nous sommes acheté shopping qui sont acheté dans Walmart là. So maman nous a sorti quick hauls pour nous. C'est tellement like on te dit nous déjà c'est pas grand shopping, so c'est quelque bail m'te besoin and then d'aller acheter. So this is heavy with cream, spaghetti, Timon spaghetti, sprinkles, honey bun. Mashed potato sprinkles here because you will make quality style. Some chicken breast, mayonnaise, body wash for the kids. You know, by the time it's this week, so call you. And then your spray, Coca-Cola, of course. Some wheat bread. And some tortilla wrap. And that's basically all we bought today. So yeah. So quand on a acheté aujourd'hui, so mat besoin de bagay. So quelque bagay m'pat bien na kay la m'te manqué, so m'di why not, you know. I put on a Walmart because to get some tortilla. Like he was asking for this last night. So I'm like, okay, he loves tortilla wrap. I'm like, let me go get it for him. So yeah. Guys, c'est la m'a mettre fin la vidéo a moi la kay konya di non merci parce que nous avons regardé vidéo et n'a abonné à channel là to et nouveau abonné yo. Thank you for subscribing. You know, merci en pile. Et ça que t'es là yo tout merci, you know. So guys, n'a pas encore dans un autre vidéo, so pas oublier abonner avec channel là. Pas vidéo à yon tam like et puis partagez-la avec yon famille, yon amis et puis quitte un commentaire pour moi pour nous dire qui ça nous pi blé na channel là, qui ça nous pi besoin na channel là, qui vidéo nous t'a aimé ouais. So parlez avec dans commentaire guys. So encore n'a pas encore dans une autre vidéo, so restez avec la paix. So bye.